Hi there and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your name on Instagram using your Android phone. This is useful if you want to update your display name for personal or professional reasons. The steps are simple, and I'll walk you through them. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Account Center. In Account Center, tap on Profiles. Now click on your Instagram profile that you want to edit. Tap on the Name field. Delete your current name, then enter the new name you want to use. Once you're done, tap Save to apply the changes. That's it! Your new name should now appear on your Instagram profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have questions or need help.